Hello guys, it's been a long time coming. Hi you guys, you're welcome once more to Just the Chat. I am Fearless. It's been a long time. Today, I want to explain to you lot sizes. What are lot sizes? You've heard a lot of persons talk about lot sizes, but you don't get it. Actually, on your MT5 or your MT40, this is where it is on your smartphone, but on your laptop, they are kind of actually the same. Okay, lot size is this? What does this represent? You don't know. But today's video, I'll be explaining to you everything in detail and how you can even use them. And as regard proper risk management, on which account size can you use certain lot sizes? Okay, so let's get to why we are here. Lot size they are called position size. They sometimes refers to as what you are staking in the market. They are actually things we use to calculate how much you are staking in the market. Okay, lot sizes, there are three types of lot sizes. So we have the standard lot size. Please take note of this. We have the standard lot size. The standard lot size, it is represented as 10.00. This is a standard lot size. And what do I mean? Let's go to pip calculation. If you don't understand pips, please try to learn pips. I will upload my next video on pips calculation, how you can calculate pips on forex market. But I'll give you a little intro on pips calculation because actually you may not be able to understand lot size without having knowledge of pips calculation. Okay, currently now you are seeing price is at 0.73734. The pip calculation starts from the fourth decimal number after the point, though there are some exceptions which I will explain much more on the next video when I will talk about pips. Okay, so what do I simply mean? Pip calculation start from the fourth decimal number, and I told you on a standard lot size, one pip is equals to $10. So what is one pip here? When the price currently now is at 73734, 0.73734. So the pip calculation will start from the next three. Okay, so if that 73 changes to 74, that is one pip. Let me show you this. If that 73 changes to 74, this is 74. This is one pip. One pip. That means $10 from where price is now to this place is $10 using a standard lot size, and a standard lot size contains 100,000 units. A standard lot size contains 100,000 units. And the number two lot size we have what? We have the mini lot size. What is a mini lot size? A mini lot size contains 10,000 units and it is represented at 0.10. That is a mini lot size. It can be 0. This can be 0.3, it can be 0.4, it can be 0.5, it can be 0.6. You get it, whatever. So that is a mini lot size for you. A mini lot size contains 10,000 units and it is represented at 0.1 whenever you are taking it. And one pip is equals to what? $1. On a mini lot size, one pip is equals to $1. What do I simply mean? Let me explain to you. Remember, I said a pip calculation starts from the first decimal number. So please look at the chart currently now. The black number at the cursor, at the right hand side, where with the pip calculation starts from now. This is 0.73086. The pip calculation will start from the 0, 0, 8, 0, 8. The 8. The pip calculation will start from the 8, 0, 8, the 8 before the 6, before the last 6. Okay. So let us say we have one pip calculation, one pip, one movement. One pip will be equals to that 8 will change to 9. Let us move it. Let us move it to okay, sorry, I've missed it. Okay, C 7, 8, 9. This is one pip now. This is one pip. This is equals to $1 on a mini lot size. Let us say we move it to. Let us say we move it to. Okay, it was 9. Let us. This is two pips. This is two pips now. Let us take it to. Okay, let me give you a clear info. From 09 now to 19. From 09 to 19, that is 10 pips to 19. That's 10 pips. That gives us how much? $10 on a mini lot size. While on a standard lot size, this will give us how many? This will give us what? This will give us what? Just tell me. I told you on a mini lot size, one pip equals to $1. On a standard lot size, one pip is equal to $10. So 10 pips will give you how many? It will give you $100. 10 pip on a standard lot size gives you what? Gives you $100. And then the last one is the what? The micro lot size. The micro lot size is actually the lowest and actually the least, and it is represented as 0.01. You can see 0.02 to 0.08, 0.09. This is micro lot size. This is micro lot size. And one pip on the micro lot size is equal to what? One pip movement on a micro lot size, it is equals to what? It is equals to 0.1. What do I mean? Simply mean 0.1 cent. Let us use the word dollar. $0.1. That is what one pip on a micro lot size gives you. Let us say the market selling. Okay, this is the I told you the pips calculation start from the first decimal number, though there are some exceptions which I will explain on my next video where I will talk on how to calculate pips. Okay. So I was saying the pip calculation will start from the fourth decimal number, which is 2. The fourth decimal number here is 2. Okay, so let us say it moves to 1.1. 1.1. This is one pip already. This is one pip. That gives us 0.1 cent on a micro lot size. And on a micro lot size, or let's say someone who's used a micro lot size that want to consider it as a proper risk management, on which account? On $100 account, you can use a micro lot size. It is being considered as a what? As proper risk management. While on a standard lot size, which is the first, which contains 100,000 units, you should be using those type of lot size on account size of about $10,000 and above. You won't dare it on an account size of $100 or $300. It is being considered as over risking, and it might eat up your account. Just imagine someone who has a low account of about $300 is using a standard lot size. That is too risky. Where one pip gives you $10, that is too risky. So a mini lot size, you can use it on an account size of about $5,000 and above. Okay, so always use proper risk management. It will always keep you on top. So if you have watched to the end, I will advise you subscribe to this YouTube channel, join our big family, and join my Telegram channel for more and more analysis and free wisdom and ebooks from me. So from me, we'll call it a day. Remain blessed. Don't forget, the chat speaks louder.